Hello everyone, my name is Mindy and I'm a graphic designer who loves what she does. Let's check out some of my previous designs. If you like my work, then let's talk briefly about Patreon. Patreon is a platform that will allow you to receive regular content from me for a monthly donation. Patreon also uses a tier-based system, so the more you donate, the more rewards you get. You can join my Patreon page for as low as $1 a month. Just check out all the tiers that I offer and how much they cost on my Patreon page. I would really appreciate the support. If you would also like to see my complete portfolio, go to my website at truthcreative.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you subscribed on my Patreon page. Join me on my journey.